guys, this is Carlo. I'm working with the F350 6.7 liter power stroke with transmission shift concern. This 350 model 2020. Okay. Uh, the first concern was the truck has a hard shift, multiple gear shift. Okay. The first thing that I did before is, by the way, this is the vehicle built. It has 6.7 V4 V8 TDC TD diesel, okay, with 10R140 level drive transmission. Okay. The first one I did for this one because when it came, there's no code with it, but symptoms is obvious. What I did is to check some publication, and I found this one. Okay, this TSB. Okay, but the problem for this truck, there is no DTC. Okay, what I did, I applied this DTC because the TSB state that with or without DTC. Okay, at the end, okay, since the the vehicle is like 20,000 kilometer, I just, in the first procedure, I just follow the recommendation for, if more than 8,000 kilometer, we do main body overhauling. Okay, I did the main body overhauling, and I installed strategy in the vehicle like the normal procedure. Then I went to road test, I checked it all, but during the main body overhauling, I found some multiple metal chip, but since there's no DTC, I decided to like went it go to the TSB. I did the main body overhauling. After that one, do some strategy drive cycle, and after that one, it's all went okay. Okay, but after 2 weeks, the customer came back with the same concern, but this time there is a multiple DTC. With this DTC, I did perform the pinpoint test P, like this one. Okay, and it indicates it's a mechanical or hydraulic problem. Okay, for the second time, I removed the transmission and inspect the mechanical and hydraulic circuit of transmission, and I found out that CFD clutch CDF clutch planetary ring gasket is burned. Okay, some vehicle has a recall for this one to replace this assembly. Okay, but for this vehicle, it happened that the ring gasket is burned, the planetary is burned. There's a overheated portion here in planetary carrier, and for also this first planetary gas. Okay, I checked the other components. It seems to be okay. The main body is already overhauled. Okay, this is the problem. If you found the same DTC with the 10R140 F350, this is most probably the symptoms is like multiple hardship. The symptom is not staying in one specific gear shift, and this is okay. Start the lever. This one. Okay. This one, the discoloration of sign of excessive overheating here. Okay. As of now, okay, the overhaul, I'm waiting for the new parts for the building, but majority is the thing that I need to remove is or replace is CDF planetary and CDF clutch and planetary gear set assembly. Okay. And also I have noticed there's some scores in front support. The bushing is still intact, but there's a lot of scores, and this one also to be replaced. The clutch is okay. The other things is okay, and that's it. If you have DTC, if you encounter for this DTC p1741, it might say this is a solenoid performance circuit off, but this is just like a fail-safe result of what happened internally mechanically. Okay. And once again, thank you for watching. I will try to update for this vehicle after I make some rebuild. After the rebuild and after the vehicle is okay, I will going to update for this truck. Okay, F350 model 2000 with the engine with having an engine of 6.7 liter with the symptoms of multiple gear shift, harsh engagement. Okay, good day.